top news headlines. Availability of genome sequencing in Manipur will help in fighting the pandemic, says MLA Dr. S. Ranjan. Assam Rifle seizes illegal wooden locks worth 80 lakhs in Kangpokpi district. And Sher Bahadur Yuba sworn in as the new Prime Minister of Nepal. A very good evening. This is HARIPRIYA and you are watching ELITETV English News. Before giving you the news in details, here is an appeal to all the public to follow the SOP given by the government. Always wear your face masks, always wash your hands frequently with soap and hand sanitizer. Always maintain social distancing of 6 feet and get vaccinated on your turn. And now the news in details. Advisor held to the Chief Minister and MLA Dr. S. Ranjan said the availability of genome sequencing in Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development (ISBD) will help in identifying Delta variants faster as compared to before when samples were sent to the Hyderabad and Pune. He said this at the interaction program of SARS-CoV-2 Genomics Consortium held at the ISBD Tagetpal today. MLA Ranjan further said COVID-19 has affected all parts of the world. This genome sequencing facility in Manipur will help in quick identification and treatment of the viral disease. He appealed to the people to get vaccinated to protect ourselves from the third wave of the pandemic.
I congratulate you, Professor Saab, and your team for making our state proud and dealing with and to be able to deal with COVID-19. As that day I told Professor, oh, you came at the right time to face COVID in Manipur. I believe it came in the month of February 2020. That was a time when COVID was about to reach, I think. So it's been a hard year, as I said once again. We all have to face it together. And I wish and also congratulate the team of IBSD for their endeavor in bringing up this sequencing facility.
Speaking at the same function, Principal Secretary of Health Bulnumang Walnam said the availability of the first genome sequencing in the Northeast has become a source of pride for Manipur. This testing center will also help the other Northeast states in identifying samples and will become an asset in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. Three boxers who represented Manipur in the All-Star Professional Boxing Championship held at Marine Center, Mumbai was welcomed today with a reception at the Imphal Bir Tikendrajit International Airport. Raju Kesam, Bonjobi Nomaitem and Nongpokngan Bamaite of Aztec Sports Manipur were warmly received by its officials and members. The event, held on 9 July 2021, was organized by Marine Pro Boxing and recognized by Professional Boxing Commission (PBC) and International Boxing Association (IBA). Speaking at the reception, Aztec Sports Managing Director Dr. PhD Thangzam Pramananda said Aztec Sports Manipur is the first sports academy in Manipur to produce and promote professional boxers in the state and emphasized that Manipur holds strong potential in field of combat sports and martial arts, increasing the chance of sportsmen and women representing in Olympics in the future. Thirteen Shaktiman vehicles transporting illegal wooden logs were seized today at an Assam Rifles mobile vehicle checkpost MBCB on IT Road in Kangpokpi district. In a press release, the Assam Rifles said this large number of vehicles indicates the illegal scheme, which is active along the Imphal-Tamenglong road in Tuilong area. Large number of these trucks are being used to ferry illegal wooden logs out of Tulong area. The apprehended individuals, along with the seized illegal 76 wooden logs worth approximately 80 lakhs, have been handed over to KPI Forest Office for necessary legal action. A second COVID-19 vaccination program was held today at Singha Bisnunaha Upper Primary School in Yaripok, Singha, organized by COVID Task Force Yaripok Singha, Pradhan of Wangkem Grand Panchayat and SIC Club under the guidance of District Administration, Thaubal and MLA of Wangkem Constituency, Kesam Megachandra. A total of 209 people were vaccinated. Speaking at the program, COVID Task Force Yaripok Singha convener SM Jakir Hussain said the MLA of Wangkem constituency has done a lot to fight the second wave of COVID-19. The people of the constituency should support in the activities of COVID Task Force. He appealed to the people to play their part in making it a COVID-free village. Puthiba Welfare and Cultural Society distributed food items to the Meitei villages in West District of Tripura yesterday at a program held in Berimura. COVID-19 affected Meitei villages of Berimura, Borjus, Rangusia, Bokchpur, Gokchamura, Sonatala, Nagaon under the Mohanpur subdivision were provided essential food items. The program was attended by Secretary of Puthiba Welfare Sinam Deepak Kumar, Recreation Club Secretary T. Amardatta, and other members of the welfare and club. And now let's take a short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Tamo, kaya no sandribo. As karangan sa siya na harago.
Kaya no sibo, kaya siya pinay sibo.
Hima, COVID ki vaccine kap thos siya na ngara du phas na hainay dudi.
Ay haksang kasi tawde. Ay kapoy. Nati, haksang kasi tawde ba inguni da kapa kay kada no. Ay kapoy hasin.
Tamo, narak dringay dana isa na hanay seksil ho na patro. Kap thok na phata braba.
Hoyare, section man na dum kapuro. Ay kapoy.
As khangdre da kamay ngana do no khangdre. Phare, adu de chalu khige. Pungo, mamay da kapuge ko, papa ga leramo.
COVID-19 लाइसेट असि ngakthon bagi damak COVID ki vaccine kapna लाइसेट असि mari lena ba laina लाइसेट singdagi ngakthok sabangami masida natana लाइसेट asina sanghandana bagi damak matam gi sarkarna pirakpa sana kangon sing aikhoi ngakna satminarasi Cowin apps ta register to biduna adom su suksoi soidana vaccine asi kapthokpi COVID ki vaccine kapthokuna COVID laitaba iramdam mu heminarasi
aikhoi vaccine kaplese.
Welcome back. Apna Dal Sonelan Manipur Pradesh distributed essential food items to containment zones declared by the government of Manipur in Kesamlekai area of Nauria Pakhanglakba Assembly constituency under the guidance of Apna Dal Sonelan, National President of Union Minister of State in charge, Commerce and Industries Anupriya Singh Patel. The program was headed by Apna Dal Sonelan Manipur Pradesh senior leader Konthausam Manoranjan Singh along with its members. Speaking to media person, he wished for the speedy recovery of those affected by COVID-19 and appealed to the people to follow strict COVID-19 SOP given by the government. Like-minded group LMG extend help of 15,000 rupees to 2 families affected by cancer and another by a road accident. As a part of the ongoing campaign of LMG Manipur to help the poorer and downtrodden section of the society, LMG gave 15,000 rupees, a bag of rice and other essential food items to 2 families of Wangjing, according to a press release from the office of the group. LMG Vice President Narengbam Rajib Kumar, Secretary Sorokhaibam Ojit, advisors Khalen Paunam and Robindro Ngangbam headed the program today, along with Assistant Secretary of LMG Ningombam O Rani Bla Lema, Executive Member Rosan Moirangthem, Laimujam Brinalini, Ngangbam Surjit, Inauba Nomaithem, and Sorokhaibam Maipaksana. The two families held by the LMZ are family of Haubam Ombi Bembem Devi, 46 years, of Wangjing Bazar, currently living with womb cancer, and Okram Tondon Singh, 44 years, of Wangjing Wangkai, currently recovering from a road accident. Chief Minister N. Biren extended his best wishes to the Indian contingent of the upcoming Tokyo Olympic Games in a video posted on the CM social media account. With the support of 130 crore Indians, he expressed his confidence that the athletes of India will perform their best and bring laurels to the nation.
My best wishes to all the athletes representing India in Tokyo Olympic. Cheers. All the best.
Churachandpur United Club Organization President A.S.K. Mangang said the distribution of health card in Churachandpur under guidance of DGP L.M. Kaute and Rajya Sabha MP nominee Thokchom Sarachandra is not related to politics, and it is for benefit of the poor. During this pandemic, having a health card gives a hope to the people for survival. Some people seeing this in the wrong list is saddening, he added. The club will support in works that are for the benefits of the people. He appealed to the clubs of its locality to give cooperation in getting these health cards to the people.
Salu matamda amata semamde health card pai leirameba asai magi census da leirama mayam duni pidise eta pangsa sajan manati pangtok to manati na hairi ba sa sina masi chummeba marudai parjamya na lekai digi leiba mera private club women society chief authorities in su full support PBU hain ai site je ai korumjari.
Brown sugar weighing 2.285 kg was seized in a search operation in Kulen Khailet near Sajik Tampak, Chakpikarong subdivision. 3 teams of Chandel District Police comprising of 1 team of Chakpikarong PS, CKG OC Rafisha and SDPU CDL Oinam Sukumar Singh, MPS under the supervision of ASP LOCDL Sankarjit Loitongbam, MPS and overall guidance of ASP CDL Eldeven Singh. MPS conducted the search in the rented house of the accused person, namely John Manglam Shwanjao. A total of 177 number of soap cases suspected to be brown sugar weighing 2.285 kg was seized from the possession of John Mangshwalan Zhao, 19 years, son of Faudolian Zhao of Home Guard Wing, Mori Ward number 1. The accused person was arrested and the case was registered to Chakpikarong Police Station for further necessary action. Imphal East BDF Welfare Association gave away essential items to families of COVID-19 positive BDF personnel. The representatives of the association went to the houses of the BDF personnel under the police station outpost of Imphal East District and distributed the items. Under the guidance of ASP and Herozit, IPS General Secretary of Imphal East District BDF Welfare Association, KS John Maitei, said they will continue to give help and appeal to the government to provide help to the BDS who serve 24 hours like their regular posts. Manipur renowned humanitarian and cyclist Philem Rohan donated to children's homes in Juribam today. He gave away food items, face masks and hand sanitizers to many children's homes that have been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Philem Rohan cycled 2,800 kilometers from Delhi to Manipur in 28 days with the message of population-free India. Speaking to media persons, Rohan expressed his eagerness to help the orphan children in any way he can. He will continue to give help to other places in Manipur, he added. MLA of Jiribam Assembly Constituency, Muhammad Asabuddin, along with Maulawi Nurul Haq, gave away essential items and money to 61 families of Islamabad and Chingdong Leikai in connection with Idul Zuha. The younger brother of the MLA, Muhammad Sahabuddin, sends warm wishes on the occasion of Idul Zuha and promised to give essential items to the remaining villagers while talking to the media. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO advisor Abdullah Fundremayum said the notice given yesterday by SP of Manipur CID branch to ban the slaughter of animals in relation to Eid festival of Islam is unfortunate. If it is found to be true, it will result in statewide protests, he added. At the press conference held at the office of the organization, he expressed his concern if Manipur is also going to ban Islamic practices like it is being banned in many parts of India. If the notice is fake news, then there should be a clarification by concerned authorities. It has caused unrest among the people. The practice of Muslim butchering animals and giving away to the poor, known as wajitli, is an integral part of it. The Meitei Pangals have also followed this practice. The Supreme Court had also said any religious butchering and consumption of meat is allowed, he added.
Supreme Court ki order kaya masu lai khere lining mari lai nawa keno sing dadi masi ay apan piroi damni have se 1960 nga sei environment and halbendri ek matungina ay apan piroi damni have se ole lai jari bane masi gisi hai riba pose karigumba masi gisi tangai phadna order thok taba ya daba tar ga so home department administration lai na secretary home lai ri natrang chief secretary lai ri masung basing tho order tholok pa yai dhamma ga mai lai na lai son sida athing ba pina ba hona ra ba migi bagra itki sale na ba sa sing lambi da pu ba khot pada masida pha ba pun ba natraga na harassment tawbi khot bi ba tawrok pa taraga di tasengna lamdam mase masigi se yan ma saw ba ihaw ma soina organize tawrakani apun bagi yam saw ihaw ko lakani aduga masina phattaba future aso impact am so soida tholakani habase masi mai leina ba singi mafamda ai media gi thong gi through da gi thamjari.
Tengnoupal Deputy Commissioner Naurem Pravin said 16,265 people above 18 years of Tengnoupal district has been vaccinated and 45% of Mori population has been vaccinated. He said these at a COVID-19 vaccination awareness and campaign program today organized by Pastor Fellowship and Mobile Vaccination Team ZEO Tengnoupal at Hill Tribal Council Mori Auditorium Hall. The DC further said More is not only a business hub, but also a melting pot of different communities. The vaccination program taken up by the state government has been able to reach 45% of the population of More. The willingness of the people of More to get the vaccine has encouraged the people of other districts to get the vaccine as well, he added. A mass vaccination program was also conducted after the awareness program. ADC More KH Jadumani, SDO Irengbam Dinesh Kumar, CMO Tengnoupal KH Gozin, More Pastor Fellowship Chairman Ngam Ho Tau Thang, ZEO Tengnoupal Sokolen Baite, leaders of different communities of More and COVID-19 Task Force More members, Singh attended the awareness program today.
Morena lead Tauruka, Yam Lingian Manam, Pasi, Mayam Yam Tona people to Kenoni, and the Morena for the Masida, the Soso man. I think I can also listen week with the I know just 1 week back, Kila Kapo Bia and the museum. Matang, some mark readiness Yao. Housing in another 20 days, Sida Koi minus Konasilina. Sigi Wakalon Sigal when I consider that. COVID ki license de koi sucho soy na mai pang na bu.
Here we have another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more of this.
I koi vaccine ka place I koi vaccine ka place Hani ki panchi sau khat khong thang hanjil si jati bi jati khai den corona la chal thek ne se
Sanjang Technerese.
I quit vaccine ka place corona dingam si. Punchi chau khai mai kai da hanna pang se. Punchi chau khai mai kai da hanna pang se.
Asingmune akhoi pone vaccine kap thokuna corona denga thokuna hani punsi bu hanjano hanabada adum sorok yabi.
Welcome back, and now let's have further details. A team of officers in Arunachal, led by Deputy Commissioner of Tawang District, Sangpan Sok, made a 9-hour-long journey on foot and vehicle to administer COVID-19 vaccine to 16 residents from Luguthang village in the state, who are young herders. According to reports, the grazer or broadcast had been left out during the special vaccination drive organized on May 21st at Domsang village, situated in between Thingbu and Luguthang in the district. The Deputy Commissioner and the Jila Parishad Chairperson JPC of Tawang, Lekhi Gombu, personally monitored the vaccination camp at Domsang, official sources said. Border Security Force BSF personnel opened fire at a flying object after they spotted it near the international border IB in the Ania sector of Jammu and Kashmir, a senior official said today. On the intervening night of July 13 and 14, a blinking red light was observed by the troops in the Ania sector at a height of 200 meters on its own side, the official said in a statement. The troops fire from the position towards the red blinking light, due to which is written. The area is being searched. Nothing has been found so far, he added. Authorities in various districts, mostly in border district in Jammu and Kashmir, have banned the shortage, sale or possession of drones and other unnamed aerial vehicles. Sher Bahadur Deuba, leader of the Nepali Congress, has sworn in as new Prime Minister of Nepal. The 75-year-old centrist politician was sworn to office by President Vidya Devi Bandari on Tuesday evening. The coalition government in Kathmandu will consist of Deuba's Nepali Congress, Maoist Center of Puspa Kamal Dhalan Prachandra and the Janata Samajwadi Party, which is a conglomeration of former Maoists and the Madhesi leaders of Nepal. Deuba was sworn in with a small cabinet. Gyanendra Karki was sworn in as the Minister of Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs, and Balkrishna Khan was sworn in as the Minister of Home Affairs. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Availability of genome sequencing in Manipur will help in fighting the pandemic, says MLA Dr. S. Ranjan. Assam Rifle seizes illegal wooden logs worth 80 lakhs in Kangpopi district. And Sher Bahadur Deuba sworn in as the new Prime Minister of Nepal. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching ELITETV English News. Till then, take care, stay safe, and good night.